What is up, YouTube? Here, getting ready for my Alaska trip. All my stuff. All that's missing is the rifle. That's upstairs. I'll get a nice picture of that. All my food. Oh yeah, my boots, case, pack, everything. When I get it all together, I'll let you see how I put it together, and then we'll get this thing shipped off. Go ahead. Walk flat. Want your picture taken there yet? We are in. Hey. We're in Alaska.
Alright, I'll fit that thing in my face.
Finally made it. Just got off our plane. All our stuff. Hey, Phil. We're making it, buddy. There's nothing out here. Super excited. I'll get back with you guys when we get in the bush.
You have an activation button on the end of yours. If you press the power, it make it thing like on your right. Okay.
Here we are. Just us, man. What do you think?
Probably shouldn't say the name of this lake.
Right?
Right.
That's alright.
Don't worry, I won't be here.
I'll edit that out. But look at this view, guys.
Crazy thing is, the wind's blowing perfectly for us.
Yeah, I know. We gotta set up camp. Look at that mountain. You just don't realize just how big that thing is until you get here. We spotted a moose. On the way in. He's about 3 miles that way. But we still got 2 days to scout, so alright, see ya. Good morning. This is September the 4th, And the day before we're allowed to actually kill any moose. Last evening we saw a moose. Yeah. See if I can find it here. And this area over here. So today we're going to go up there and we're going to spot all day over here. If we don't see anything, we're going to get back down, eat lunch, and then we're headed that way. So, alright, stay tuned. This is the actual official first day of moose season. We found out where we're going to hunt. We're looking this beautiful valley. We jumped up a cow this morning. We haven't seen any bulls. We think we saw one 2 nights ago, but we haven't seen him since. So, all right. Okay, you're recording.
So, we just killed a bull, first day, 10 a.m. We went through...
Sat here for an hour.
We sat here for literally an hour. 2 calling sequences. Right after, we didn't get on video because it was just happening too fast. He was literally right there. So...
Within 300 yards.
He's a monster bull. So it's going to be pretty cool. We're going to walk over there measuring.
Somewhere over there.
And stuff over there. And sorry we couldn't get it on film. We'll try to get the next one on film, but this one was just like, you got to be there. And I needed Philip to be there, to tell me how far he was. So 3:30 at Lapua. Put him down. And overall, that was a successful hunt, first day.
The first day, buddy.
That's how I roll.
Recording now. Hold on.
You recording?
Yep, I keep pushing off. That's recording. Alright.
Alright.
He's right here. Oh my goodness, dude. This thing is massive. Oh my god. Oh, what'd you do?
Hey.
Hey.
What's the dead bull? Get behind me so you can see me get the bull.
Oh yeah, he's a good boy. He's definitely over 50.
Huh?
He's definitely over 50. Good. Oh my goodness, dude, he is so big. He's got... Here, let me help you. Come on, big boy. Get him out of the bushes there. There you go. Break those bushes away. Oh my goodness, Paul.
Oh, he's
Paul, he is big.
here, come on this side here.
Now you can see what we're walking through here. Oh my goodness. Let me help you.
There we go.
Oh my goodness, Paul.
Behind it here. Here we go. You get the whole rack in there.
Trying.
You get the back up.
Yeah, I got him right there. Oh yeah.
Well,
That is a bull, Paul.
let's see how big he is.
Alright, you want me to turn it off?
No, it's alright. Leave it on.
So it's literally from the longest point to the longest point, right? So this point to that point.
Yeah. So,
How long is that tape?
90 inches.
Oh, okay. I thought it was 50 for a second. I was like, that's pretty big. Alright.
What was it over there?
Keep going, boy. You're at...
Hold on.
That's not the farthest point, right?
This one is. This is pretty far.
54 inches.
It's gotta be across.
Across?
Yeah, it's gotta go dead across.
This one or this one?
Let's see.
That is 49.
But this one
52.
is 52.
Yep.
That's, well, you got this point over here though.
Yeah. 53.
53.
Definitely legal.
That's how wide that fucker's gotta be to be legal.
Sorry, I had to point it out the ground.
53-inch bull.
53.
First bull, I'm happy with it.
Yeah.
So, all right, well, get back with you guys when we're packing it out.
Good luck.
Yeah, I'm super excited. It's for everybody. I love you, baby. I love my kids. And thank God for this incredible animal. Now we've got to get to work. It's going to take all day.
Yes, sir.
So, all right.
Alrighty.
Here we go. First day. All right. Well, we got him all caped out, all the meat into bags, and the antlers off. We've moved half of the meat in bags to, you know, about 300-400 yards. Now we just got to roll them down the hill, land them in the bond, but still not that easy. Tomorrow I'm going to take some video of the tundra and stuff that we're walking on. It's not flat. It's like bubbles of grass everywhere, and I've got a swollen knee. I've about broke my knee, and I about broke my ankle today, and we're beat up. I'm beat up pretty bad. We're wet. It's just not done nothing but rain on us all freaking day. It does not stop, and I'm over it. We're so wet. My rain gear, I've got Gore-Tex rain gear on. Eventually it soaks through, just like everything. So, but this guy over here though, look at him all.
Quit complaining.
What'd you say?
Quit complaining.
Quit complaining.
Yeah.
Yeah, okay.
I hiked out all the head and crap.
You complain about your finger. Philip has sliced his finger. Yeah, hold on, hold it up for me. And we have rigged it. We've rigged it. It's working so far. We got to go in there and fix this crap. Hey Philip, are you excited we killed a moose though?
Yeah.
Hey, I want everybody to know this is mine and Philip's moose together. He picked the spot. I just pulled the trigger. He's hauled out the meat. I've hauled out some of the meat. We've done most of the cutting. He's done a lot of the cutting and bagging. I mean, it's been a team thing. So it's our moose. It's not just mine. So I just wanted to let everybody know that. Let's get everybody a quick view. So our moose is, if you can see, let's see if I can. Let's see if I can find it here. Go down. Our moose lays right. Right. My finger out here. Our moose lays right atop there, right between those two tree patches. And we don't have to walk him this far. We just got to walk him to the lake, which reaches way around. It's just the way. You can't see anything out here really. It's so pretty when it's sunny out. So beautiful. Oh my God! What the? That's not scenic. And you can see this water is.
Like this
water is.
3 days.
I don't know if you guys can see this on the camera, but the water is blue.
Crystal blue.
Like crystal blue. It's not even green. It's not clear. It's just blue. We asked Mark, and he said it was just some of the sediment that comes up from the bottom. So, pretty cool. Pretty cool. All right. Tomorrow we'll get some more footage. My hands were all bloody nasty today. I didn't want to get my camera out. So tomorrow we will get it out, show you everything, and have me hiking out. Thanks, guys. So, any of you thinking about coming to Wood Tick Chick Guides with Mark Romo? This is the nice lodge that they have. There's a bed in there.
It's actually very comfortable. And this is the outside view of the lodge. Give a big shout out to Mark. He's been nothing but great. Him and his family. His wife's amazing. His kids are amazing. They all work together as a big team. Got a nice sink and stuff up here. And then if you come in here, we're washing our clothes because we smell awful coming out of the bush. And we got the nice bathroom area and a nice washer and dryer. That's where we're washing all our clothes right now. This leads into the main bedroom. And if you are bringing this all leads down to where you get everything settled, ready to pack out or pack in. And he's got a little loft up here, extra beds. If you want to bring some more people, 2 beds up there. It's a great lodge, great cooking, great company. They're great people. Couldn't ask for anything more. So, just to give you insight.